Hello everyone. Hi Aquarius. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see your messages and what's going on. Aquarius, air sign. So Aquarius, so what I'm seeing here, you are working on yourself, okay? Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you are working on yourself. You are working towards your goals and careers. You are making money. You are a very creative person. And yeah, right now you are concentrating on your career and finances. You stand by your power and you are very grounded, Aquarius, for sure. But someone from past is coming back to you. They have strong emotions. I think for some it could be two persons. One is past one and another is new one, because Knight of Cups with King of Cups. Definitely two persons for some. For some it could be one person, that is past person, coming back to you. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. I think both persons have strong emotions. For some, maybe separation is happened between both of you. Now your person realizing you're both there coming back. But what I'm seeing here, you are now concentrating on yourself. You are guarded up right now. You are not investing on any relationship right now, because you are investing on yourself. Nine of Pentacles, this is your energy, and definitely they are coming back, and reconciliation, and past person want reconciliation with you. They want celebration with you, because they are still hoping for second chance with you, because the star with Three of Cups, definitely they are hoping for second chance. If there are no two persons, if only one person in your life, definitely they are coming back for reconciliation. I think you are super balanced. I think in past there is no balance between both of you, but now you are very balanced, and you are very patient also. Now you are in very patience and very balanced. Now you are guarded up. I think you are not taking any step towards your person right now, because you invested a lot in this connection. Right now you want to invest on yourself, and you are concentrating on your abundance, and you are thinking about your career and growth more than the relationship, what I'm getting here. But for some new persons, one past person, one new person is coming back to you. But what I'm seeing, past person coming back for reconciliation, but you guarded up. I think two persons are fighting for your attention. Five of Wands, Ten of Cups with King of Cups. I think in past your person maybe offered this Ten of Cups happiness to you, but something happened between both of you. Then you guarded up. Now they realize you both, they're coming back with strong feelings, but they're in slow moving energy. Knight of Cups. For some, new person is coming towards you, but that person also has strong emotions for you, because King of Cups and Knight of Cups, two cards having strong emotions for their person. Definitely it's up to you which offer you have to choose, because two persons coming towards you. For some your past person is coming back to you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, they are still hoping, past person still hoping for second chance with you, but you are working on yourself. And the signs are a lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Aquarius or Sagittarius. Your person could be. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what going on. So Aquarius, let's see their current feelings first. Two cards. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to invest in this connection. King of Wands, Three of Wands. Yeah, because there is some delay. Definitely your person waiting for the right time. I think your person may be turn their back from you, or you may be turn your back from your person. Energy could be vice versa. But there is a lot of passion. Now they want to invest on this connection. But Three of Wands here, you both could be in long distance relationship. You both could be live in different states, countries, or cities. Definitely some distance involved in this connection. And yeah, definitely they are waiting for the right time. I think waiting game is going between both of you. Your person really want reconciliation with you, but they are coming back. But they are in slow moving energy. Okay, they really want to invest on this connection, but you are super stable. You don't care because you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, the Fool. Two of Pentacles, yeah. Four of Wands. Ten of Wands, yeah. I think your person may be juggling between things. Definitely there is some juggling. Maybe in past your person seeing other options, but now they are feeling that you are their soulmate or twin flame. Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, right now your person feeling overburdened due to any reason. It could be when they are thinking about you, they're feeling like this, or it could be the work pressure, whatever they're feeling right now. That's why they're juggling. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, but they will take action towards you, but it will take some time because Three of Wands is also waiting. I think they are thinking about reconciliation, but right now they are not taking any action. They have strong emotions, they are coming back, but in very slow moving energy. Okay, what I'm seeing here a lot of air, fire energy. Your person would be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. So definitely, I think they are going to choose you. Right now, they are in some confusion, but after some time, definitely they are going to be choose you. Yeah, because right now they are juggling Two of Pentacles, but they are thinking about you a lot. Four of Wands. Yeah, they want this celebration with you. For some, you are going to choose your new person because they also have strong emotions, because your old person not taking any action towards you even though they have feelings for you. Now you want to choose new person. Okay, take what resonate, but some of you are waiting for your past person. They're coming back, but some time delay, what I'm seeing here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Under the 10 of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer stability. Princess of Cups. Yeah, your person at some crossroads. Definitely they have to make decision, clear decision. They are in so much confusion regarding their decision. Princess of Cups, yeah, they have strong emotions for you. There is no doubt. Three of Swords. Nine of Cups. Yeah, you are very heartbroken. One person in this connection is heartbroken. I think it's you, Aquarius, but you overcome this pain. Now you stand by your power. If it is you, if it is your person, definitely they are feeling very, very sad because these are the outcome and mutual energies. They want to work on this relationship, but they are at some confusion state. They have to make clear decision about this, but your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, Aquarius, yeah. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. I think they have emotions for you, but they have to make some decision before coming towards you. Yeah, that's why the time delay. Three of Wands, waiting. Yeah, but I think they are going to be choose you because they have strong emotions for you. For some, you are deciding to move on from this person to a new person. Some new love is entering in your life. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Aquarius, Two of Wands, Seven of Wands, Four of Wands, Eight of Swords. Yeah, you're feeling stuck sometimes when you think about this person. Definitely you are feeling stuck. And Four of Wands. Definitely you both could be twin flames. Definitely you want this celebration. Seven of Wands and Two of Wands. A lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think you are thinking about something a lot, something in these recent times a lot, and this could be long distance relationship also, waiting, definitely waiting in this connection. And Seven of Wands, I think you are very defensive right now, because you are guarded up. You are waiting for your person to take action towards you. Okay, you don't want to make any move this time. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Aquarius, Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands. Lot of passion. Yeah, your person have a lot of passion for you. Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want passionate new beginnings. Six of Wands, they want success with you. And the Knight of Swords. Yeah, they're rushing towards you. Definitely they will make action in near future. Definitely they will make action, but it will take some time because some time delay is there. Now your person may be in some confusion state. After that, definitely they will make efforts this time. Yeah, they will make efforts, but some time delay. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.